Hey guys, it's Gabe here with Air.ai. Just wanted to bring you the latest update. Air, if you're using the account, this is for the account users. They had an update at about midnight last night. They're constantly working on this thing to make it better. But on that update, they are disconnecting hosting your numbers on their end, and they put in a Twilio integration so that you need to create a Twilio account and host your own numbers and set that up. So this video is going to be about setting that up. If you don't have Air, you can disregard this. You can click my link down below to get a free account. I'd be happy to help set you up. But for those of you that got this update last night and you kind of want help walking through this, they said they did send out a video, but I'm going to make one that might be a little bit more clear and straightforward. So we're just going to start with setting up a Twilio account. And if you already have a Twilio account, then you'll be able to kind of fast forward towards the end where you connect it with Air. So we're going to do a Gabe test. Fill out my details here. Let's see. Test Air.ai. All right, now we got to go to the email, get my code, get that here, verify your email. I'm going to verify our phone number. And get that code. All right, so we got past the initial verification steps. Now we're gonna kind of answer a few questions here to set up the account. What do you plan to build with Twilio? Do lead conversion. Which Twilio products are you here to use? Do voice. Which describes your organization? Business. Direct brand. And with no code. What is your goal today? Explore. Get started. All right, it's pretty much that simple. We already have a Twilio account set up now. And the next thing you're going to want to do is go into phone numbers, manage, active phone numbers. Actually, this isn't the next thing you're going to want to do. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to billing and put your credit card on file so that you can buy a number. Once you have your credit card on file, then you're going to go to buy number. And then you'll go to first part of number, put in your area code. I'm in Kansas City, so I would choose 816. Search, and then you can easily buy your numbers right here. $1.15 per number per month. And if you're cold calling or doing mass calling, you probably want anywhere from 5 to 10, possibly even like 30, 50 numbers. I've seen people have up to 50 depending on the type of volume you're doing, but you can load in those numbers, and basically those are all going to go underneath your active numbers right here. You'll see them all listed out, and then once you have like a pool of numbers there, Air will basically use those numbers to call. It kind of like intermittently rotates through those numbers to help prevent them from getting spam marked. So I'm actually going to pause the video real quick and log into my active account, because there's one more step you need to know in order to be able to turn on your inbound calls if you're using that feature. So let me pause the video real quick. Okay, I'm back, logged into my HouseFox account. I have a real estate business, so this is what it looks like when you have a pool of numbers in your active numbers section. Now, for an inbound number, which I have this one set up here, you'll want to click into the number, and you actually have to do a few things to configure that, but it's real simple. So you'll, at the top right here where it says voice configuration, you'll configure with the webhook one, and then in the webhook we'll put in this URL. I'll post that in the video description, and then on the default called status changes, you'll put that there as well, copy that there, and then everything just needs to look like this right there. That's pretty much it, and your inbound calls will work. Now we're going to go to inside of Air and kind of show you how to get this connected and what you need to do. So let's go over to Air, and once you're in Air, you'll go to your name up here, go to integrations. You're going to go to Twilio, and we got to paste the account SID and auth token there. So you'll want to go to your Twilio account, and then if you just click back on your title of your account, it'll go back to the home page. And now you'll copy your SID and your auth token. You just click these buttons here, and then you'll paste each one of those and paste them in the appropriate spot there. And then you're connected to your Twilio account. Now for the inbound campaigns, there's one more step. For the inbound calling, you actually click on new campaign, go down to the bottom, agree. It's going to be test inbound. And then what you'll do is you'll select inbound, you'll select the agent, the area code, and we'll just put $1. Save and launch. And then when you look in your inbound campaign here, it'll find one of your numbers, 2569. Let's see if that's one of the numbers in my account. Let's see here. 2569. So if this was the active inbound that I was going to use, then I would need to go into there and connect it like we did this one here. So that way when calls are routed, they go to the agent in Air. That's pretty much all you need to do to set it up. And if you have any questions, you can reach out, or if you are totally foreign to Twilio and doing all that stuff, I can set that up for you as well for a charge. But it's pretty much just that simple. And guys, a lot of people think that you have to be A2P verified and it's going to take 2 weeks to get these calls going. That's only for text messaging, so don't get that confused. Once you buy those phone numbers and connect it to your Air account, you're going to be good to go immediately. So I hope that helps, and have a good day.